How to fix Snapchat filters or lenses not working properly and are having constant issues. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you through the steps on how you can fix problems with Snapchat filters and lenses, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now many of the times, or maybe just sometimes, what happens is that you open Snapchat app, you log into the account, you try to create a snap, but the lenses are not working properly, the filters also aren't working properly. And why is this? Well, to fix this there are a couple of things that we can definitely do. The very first thing you want to do is just make sure that your phone is connected to an active internet connection. You might want to disable data saver if you've turned on or low data mode from your phone, and if you're on iPhone you have to offload the app from the system to remove the files that may be causing issues. And if you're on Android, what you want to do is simply go ahead and then long press the Snapchat app icon here, then just make sure to tap the I button. Once you tap the I button, scroll down, go to this option called storage, then clear cache files, and also make sure to clear the data. Once you've done either of those steps, last but not the least, you want to simply open up your Play Store, and then in the search box just type in Snapchat, check if the app has an update, and if it does, then definitely make sure to update it to the latest version. Now after you've done that, open Snapchat, log into your account, and then you should be able to use the filters or lenses. So this way you can go ahead and then fix Snapchat problems with filters or lenses. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.